Welcome to IIHM USEC Soya Protein Conclave. I am Chef Sudipto from IIHM. We will be preparing some dishes where we will be using soybean and soya products as protein alternative. I will be making sabnami pulao, and for making sabnami pulao we require basmati rice, we require chopped onion, green chili, ginger, garlic, we require cumin seed, salt, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, red chili and Kashmiri red chili powder. We need some green peas. For the taste and flavor I will be using some ghee, and for flavor we will be using some garam masala powder. For making this dish I am using soybean oil. So, once the oil is hot, I will add some cumin seeds for the tempering. Then I will give some chopped onion. I think you can able to hear the sound of crackling of cumin seeds. So, once it crackles, we need to add chopped onion. We will fry the onion till it is golden brown in color. So, we need to wait for 1 or 2 minutes till the onion turns golden brown. Now, while we will be cooking onion, it should be very careful, because we need to, if we want to get the best result in the food, onion always need to be cooked till golden brown, and if the temperature increases at that moment, in any moment it can turn little black. So, which will give black once it is black, which will give a little bitter in taste in the recipe. So, we have to stir continuously to get the even golden brown color of the onion, and once the onion will turn brown, I will add some ginger paste and garlic paste. 1 spoon of garlic paste, 1 spoon of ginger paste, and we need to cook till this way till the raw flavor of garlic removes. For the flavor and taste, I will add some green chilies now in this stage, not much. So, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, small quantity of red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. Just mix it nicely. And now I will add green peas and soya nuggets. Now, soya nuggets, before you add in the preparation, give a small quantity of water, so that the powder spices does not burn. Soya nuggets or any soya products, soya chunks, whenever you are using, first we need to soak it in warm water for some time, so that it turns softened, and which we can be used for the preparation. So, already I have soaked it in warm water, and now I will be using this soya chunks for making the pulao. So, adding the soya chunks at this moment. Mix it nicely. I will give some salt. So, mix it nicely, and then at this stage I will be adding raw rice. Now, rice, basmati rice need to be soaked at least for 1 hour, and then the soaked rice should be added for making the pulao. So, I am adding the soaked rice now. I will cook the soaked raw rice with the masalas for some time. and then I will add warm water in it. We should not add cold water for making the pulao. So, I will add some raw warm water. The quantity should be 1:2 in ratio. So, as you can see, almost the rice got nicely cooked along with the masala. So, I will now reduce the flame and I will add warm water or boiling water in a ratio of 1:2. Now, again we will increase the flame . For the taste, at this moment we can check the taste by checking the taste of the juices or the mixture, so that if you require you can add some salt or any other ingredients at this stage itself. So, basically we are cooking it, the rice we are cooking it in absorption method. We will not drain the rice. As you can see, the rice is getting cooked and the water is also evaporating. So, the rice is absorbing by the water. So, as you can see, the rice, the water almost dried. So, in this stage I will cover the pan and I will seal it. We will seal it with some atta dough. We need to seal the container with some atta dough completely, and we have to cook it in medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes, and we will keep this in dum at least for half an hour. First, in medium flame we will be cooking it, we will be keeping it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then once we can find it has become almost dry, without flame again, in the same condition we will keep it for 15 minutes for making it completely dry and resting the pulao in dum method. So, our Shabnami pulao is ready now. And on the top I put some barista.